Okay, so I'm gonna go through. This is a two-part video series. I was recommended by people not to make one video. There's two parts to this. I mean, we're all excited about the decentralized web and using Handshake domains to make decentralized websites. But it's two steps. First, you gotta make the page, right, in HTML, CSS, some kind of a builder, designer, by hand. And then the second step, which will be in another video, is uploading it to the decentralized web to host it, right? So let's first start with three different ways that you can do this right now. And of course, there's even more. Essentially, it's just making a HTML page, okay? So Namebase has a product they just launched in December 2020 as I make this called D-Links. So you can head on over there. Let's do it for white collar, one of our TLDs. So you just create new, find the domain, if you have many, or if you don't, it's just, okay, and pick the domain. You can then choose to keep it on a root name. So again, this is like .com, but this is .white collar, right? Or whatever domain you have in your Handshake name. Or you could do like cool .white collar, right? Instead of cool.com, it's cool.white collar. Let's just do on root domain because that's how most people are doing it right now. I guess there's some customization. I'm not able to, it's not clicking. Maybe there'll be more customization in the future. Click next. Here I'll just upload an image. I just find an image online. Of course, use something that's, let's do this Christmas one. It's Christmas Day. Okay, that's my kids. And then name, be a white collar worker, all right? And then, basically it's a page builder, right? Show that, edit this, my blog, right? And then you say, let's just do a hashtag, and then show it on the page, okay? So this is all I'm going to do for this. This the next video. Of course, you can change the theme. It's pretty nice, right? It's pretty slick. So this is step one, okay? Publish. They've integrated step one and step two together at Namebase to make it extremely easy for anybody, but I think it's two different steps. So this is the page builder, right? Publishing, I'm going to click it now. It's doing it automatically to the decentralized web, but I'm going to talk about that in a second video, how that works and how the DNS works, okay? Second option, synpa.hns.2 or synpa or synpapolis. Okay, the second option is synpapolis, which means without papers in Spanish. He has just also after D-Links launched profile builder, so you can create or import. So create is basically a similar process. It looks very similar. So I won't go through the demo of how to make this. I think you can upload your image, your name, and others. Oops. But importing is kind of cool. So I did one already for 01, this one here. So this also helps you upload it to the Skynet or see a Skynet. And this is what I already designed. So the way you can restore it is keeping this link. And then I import from URL. And then I paste it here. And hopefully it goes back to where I last was. Which is pretty cool, right? So now I'm going back to the way it was. That's what I did before. And then of course I can choose a theme. I could change the theme. And then deploy. So deploy, you could also download the files here because essentially it's HTML and CSS. So I could download it onto my desktop. And I have the zip file of this page builder. Hopefully my computer, I've done a lot of videos today. And just to show you what it gives you, it is going to give you basically an HTML file, right? And a data.json. So this is basically letting you make this page very simple and easily. So if you've watched some of our previous Skynet tutorials, we show you how to do it on WordPress, on various different WordPresses, Kinsta, and others. So basically, these are all the same. This is what this is, page builder, okay? The special part is part 2, but I want to show you another one we're working on here, demo. We're making one at Skynet because we want more people to use WordPress because, this is how we do our sites. This one's a little bit more advanced and we're not totally ready to publicly allow this. It's in beta, but the same idea is you would design your page in WordPress, and once you do that, we will use our plugins and our settings we have on this server so that you don't have to do any WordPress special stuff yourself, and download it, export it as a zip, and then download it. So these are the 3 different options, right? So then, of course, here's the same. You could, we use a page builder, but essentially these are the same similar things, right? Just to kind of recap here, this is a page builder. This is a page builder, and WordPress, what we use is a page builder. Okay, the difference will be in step 2, video 2, but we want to make, here I can change my text. I can change my text here. To dWeb, right? And save it, and then export it, and I have my CSS and my files. Video 2, I'll just give you a little preview. SkynetHub.io. So we'll talk about this in the second video, and we'll also tell you how to point this to your domain, your Handshake domain. But basically, you can upload the files. Also here, again, this is similar. You have this CS Skynet here, and you could download it. But I'm not going to take too much time here. It's still even new for me, I'll be very honest with you. But essentially, video 1, this one right now, is just making an HTML page. I mean, it is very slick. It's a page builder. This is a page builder. Okay. The magic is step 2, where it's already been made, right? But we can do this with other sites too. We can do this with other page builders. We can do this with WordPress, and we can upload this directly to the Skynet here. Okay, so I just want to make sure that everybody understands that it's 2 steps. One is designing a simple page or a complex page, a full, we've also talked about Vercel, we've talked about, Node.js, we've talked about all these other ones. So it's all about really where is it hosting. So check out video 2 is coming soon. And then you also have to point the domain to this Skynet server. So that will be in the next video. So for now, just figure out a way to make a nice pretty page you like, and then step 2 will be uploading it to the decentralized web and then pointing it to your Handshake domain. Thanks again for watching, and this will also be on skyinclude.com/page builder. How about that? Page builder, because this is a page builder. We're building a page, and then video 2 will be uploading it to the decentralized web. Thanks so much for watching. And this is what we're trying to do here, is make sure you understand the technical parts. I know we want easy, but we also want to understand what we're doing and understand how to grow and build the community and the users on this platform. Thank you.